There are few places which are very, ancient that you can see. It seems to be 2 inches from inside. But this, almost we are able to complete this track. Let's continue. How's energy till here?
Very good.
I think we have completed around 60% of the total trek.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
So just 40% remaining. Now you can see the jungle, but it's not exactly jungle, but you can see the proper ways that is designed. People can go up. Almost done, just 2 minutes. Not a very nice place to have relax. Almost completed. So almost we have completed 60 to 70% of the trek. Now soon after we are going to complete that. While coming back, I think there's no much energy required, but let's see how it is going to be. So let's continue the trek now. Okay. This is the final destination where there's about to reach. You can see it's a nice view from here to all the mountain areas, and there's more hills around. People are still coming. There are almost 50 people and taking rest and coming throughout the way. So let's see you on the top once. You can see the place. How are you doing? Good, how are you? I'm doing good. Did you enjoy the trek? Was a unique experience for you, what?
That's nice.
आप लोगों को
It feels nice.
feels nice.
Hard work. फल मिला.
जाने की तरफ से कुछ भी पता नहीं चलेगा.
Obviously.
हाँ.
But अभी तो फिलहाल.
So almost we have completed the trek and we are heading towards the down to boat bus once again, and we'll rush towards the Aadiyogi. So there's a light show at 7:30. We don't want to miss that, and that is the reason we need to be there by 7:30. So that's the plan. The hills are quite dangerous, you see. You have to be careful while heading down, especially when you're handling some camera. So it's very easy to go, but not while coming back.
the villa that I was talking about. So yeah, it's good. It's good. Design good. Like it's very good for the people of a group of 15 to 20 people. They can easily stay in this. There are private rooms also. And if the peoples are more, then we need to make this kind of arrangement, which is already you saw now. Let's see what we can find here.
Smile and pranam to every soul here. Yeah, we are all souls. Souls, that person also you can smile. Raya also you can smile.
Smile and you can do this. No?
You can do this. Very good. Excellent. Now we'll start with first O and then we'll go to our chakra. That should touch the mat and your body is not aage or piche, it's exactly straight. Yeah? If possible, tuck your belly in, little bit in, so your whole posture becomes straight. And now, consciously focus on your breathing. So, inhale.
Wait. Sit down. Open your arms. Open your arms. Not like that, like a Shah Rukh Khan. Sit it. You are getting clear.
So meet the organizer for this event. Here is Sheena. So Sheena, what are you having?
I am having poha, some curry, and I almost finished 4 puris, which is, oh god, like I'm gonna work out tomorrow. But
Okay.
yes, the food is really yummy. I especially have this caterer, he's from northern India, and from north people, they're very particular on the food. So we wanted to give hot food for everyone, and I think everyone is loving enjoying it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what's the plan for the today's evening? So New Year evening.
Yes.
So how is the scenario going to
We
be?
are actually hasn't stopped yesterday. So we have yesterday as well, where we had Aadiyogi visit. We have Gudibande hiking, and then people enjoyed bonfire. There was jamming, and today people are going to Lipakshi, and there are some magical pillar where it's off the gravity, so people are gonna enjoy that.
Yeah.
And once they're coming back, they're gonna be some high tea plan, and then we have an artist Aisha. She's known as Techno Fire.
Yeah.
So she gonna involve the group with the hoops.
Okay.
Where all those props which are very new age things. So we said let's have it. Her.
So looks great. Artists down the line.
We have 3 musicians and guitarists.
Okay.
Sheen, Mayank, Rahul, and maybe Sweston again.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have a DJ party.
Oh,
So
that
it's gonna be awesome.
Sounds great. Sounds
Bonfire.
great. Completely ancient one that you can see. So there's the main statues here, and so there's a main temple here, which is Vishnu. So this has a connection with respect to the Ramayana. So if you know the Ramayana, you understand what is exactly talking about. So finally, as you can see, I've come outside of this temple, and looks very, very ancient, filled with lots of sculptures that you see. There are almost like 200-300 people inside. It's a huge temple, and all these are made from the single stone. That is the speciality of this temple. You see, these are some photographer spots where you can take great pictures. Depends upon the type of, the positions. I like this a lot because of, the way it is placed, all the sculptures and all. So this temple you see, this statue, this is the embedded Ganesha that you can see right now. So this is also made from the same stone that you can see, the giant stone at the back. So this is sculptured in the stone itself. And this one is the final Naga statue that you can see from the front profile. It is great. It has, the speciality of this kind of statue is that these are made from the single stone, giant stone, and that makes it more special compared to all other temples here. Cutie puppies are sleeping so fearlessly between hundreds of people without any disturbance. You can see. और उसके बगल में उसकी मम्मी ऐसे अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती हुई फिर से सो गई। सामने 2 बच्चे सो गए हैं। मम्मी सामने सो जाएगी.
So this is like the overall statue that you see around. Hi.
So आराम फरमाते हुए हमारे बंदर साहब कितने आराम से बैठे हैं, जैसे महाराजों की तरह. देखो, न दुनिया की चिंता न घर का चिंता, जमाई लेते हुए आराम से बैठा है. जमाई कमाल का ले रहा है भाई. लाइफ हो तो इनकी जैसी, कोई चिंता नहीं है.
I got you, moonlight.